Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is arithmetic progression. It is 11th standards chapter. In short form you can write AP, arithmetic progression. First of all you have to know what is AP. A sequence is called a sequence A sequence is called an arithmetic progression A sequence is called an arithmetic progression if the difference of first term and previous term is equal. So what is arithmetic progression? A sequence is called an arithmetic progression if the difference of the first term, suppose T1, T2, T3, Tn, it is a sequence. First term, second term, third term, nth term. So first term, second term. So T2 minus T1 equals to T3 minus T2 equals to T4 minus T3. These all are equal, then there are things as D. Then all are equal, because D is constant, then it is called arithmetic progression. T1 is the first term. D is the common difference. And nth term Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula, the nth term of this series. Okay, let's do few sums related AP. Here, sum number 1. Show that the sequence log A, log AB square, log AB cube is an AP. Find the nth term. So you have to find log A. Here A equals to log A. D equals to log AB minus log A, that is log AB by A, that is log B. Difference first term and second term. Again D equals to third term minus second term, that is log AB square minus log AB, that is log AB square by AB, that is log B. Again difference fourth term minus third term, log AB cube minus log AB square, that is log AB cube by AB square equals to log B. Here difference all are coming equal. Here common difference is equal. Is always equal. Therefore, the series is AP. Find the nth term of the series. We know Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A is the log A plus n minus 1, D value is log B. That is log A plus log B to the power n minus 1. This coming up. That is log AB to the power n minus 1 is the nth term of this sequence. Okay, let's do next sum number 2. Sum number 2. Here, pth term, qth term, rth term of an AP are A, B, C. Let first term equals to capital A and common difference equals to capital D. Here, pth term is A. So Tp equals to A, Tq equals to B, and Tr equals to C. Tp is A plus P minus 1 into D equals to Tp is A. First term is capital A here, capital D second term, and Tq. First term, pth other term ABC. Pq A plus Q minus 1 into D equals to B. And A plus R minus 1 into capital D equals to C. We have to prove this equals to 0. That is A Q minus 1, Q minus R plus B R minus P plus C P minus Q equals to 0. This is LHS. Here value of A, put it here. A plus P minus 1 into capital D all over Q minus R plus value of B, capital A plus Q minus 1 into D all over R minus P plus C value A plus R minus 1 into D into P minus Q. That is A into this, A into P minus Q plus P minus 1 into Q minus R into D plus A into R minus P plus Q minus 1 into R minus P into D plus value of C is capital A plus R minus 1 into D into P minus Q. Now here is A, here is A, here is A into P minus Q plus R minus 1 into P minus Q into D. Here is A into P minus Q, A into R minus P, here A into P. The A is common, P minus Q plus R minus P plus P minus Q, R minus, this is A into Q minus R. This is Q minus R. Q minus R, R minus P plus P minus Q plus D, PQ minus PR minus Q plus R plus QR minus PQ minus R plus P plus PR minus QR minus P plus Q. Minus Q plus Q, minus R plus R, cancel. PQ minus PQ, minus PR plus PR, minus QR plus QR, minus P plus P, minus P, minus Q, plus q minus r plus r minus r. That is a into 0 plus d into 0, that is 0. Therefore equals to right hand side. Okay, sum number 2. Next to sum number 3. Question number 3. Show that the sum of m plus nth term and m minus nth term of AP is equal to 2tm. Here, question number 3. Let first term small a and common difference small d. Here Tm plus n. Tm plus n equals to a plus m plus n minus 1 into d, and Tm minus n equals to a plus m minus n minus 1 into d. Sum of this, the Tm plus n plus T m minus n. Sum of this you have to find. Therefore, this plus this, that is a plus m plus n minus 1 into d plus a plus m minus n minus 1 into d, that is 2a plus m plus n minus 1 plus m minus n minus 1 into d, that is 2a minus n plus n cancel, 2a minus 2 into d, that is 2 common, a plus m minus 1 into d, that is 2 of Tm root. So sum of these two terms is equals to twice of Tm. Next, sum number 4. Question number 4. Pth term of an AP is Q and Qth term of AP is P. Here, let first term, question number 4. Let first term equals to Trn. Small a and common difference is d. Here Tp is Q. Tp is Q and Tq is P. What is Tp? A plus P minus 1 into d equals to Q, and PQ A plus Q minus 1 into d equals to P. Do subtraction. Cancel, d is common. P minus 1 minus Q plus 1 equals to P minus Q. That is d equals to P minus Q by P minus Q. This is Q minus P. Q minus P by P minus Q, that is d into minus P minus Q by P minus Q, that is value of d is coming minus 1. Put it here, equation number 1. A plus P minus 1 into d value minus 1 equals to Q. A plus A equals to Q plus P minus 1. So A value, this is coming right hand side, minus will be positive, Q plus P minus 1. So the first term is this. We have to find Tn. Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into d. What is A? P plus Q minus 1 plus n minus 1, d value is minus 1. That is p plus q minus 1 minus n plus 1, that is p plus q minus n. So Tn equals to p plus q minus n root. Next, sum number 5. Question number 5. Question 5 is determine the number of terms of an AP. This, find the 20th term from the end. First of all, you have to know, suppose there are 5 terms. So from the end, if you ask, from the end, fourth term, second term from the end is this. So second term from the end is this. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 terms. So second term from the end is equals to fourth term from beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second term from the end is this. That is from the first, second, third, fourth. So second term from n equals to 5 minus 2 plus 1, that is 6 minus 2, that is fourth term from beginning. So just like this, find the determine first of all you have to know number of terms, how many terms are there. Let here first term a equals to 3 and common difference d equals to 4. 7 minus 3 is 4, common difference. Let here nth term equals to 407. Last term, nth term, that is a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 407. A value 3 plus n minus 1 into d value 4 equals to 407. N minus 1 into 4 equals to 407, then 404. So n minus 1 equals to 101. 407. N number 407, a value 3, n minus 1 into d. That is n equals to 102. So number of terms is here 2. So just like this, find the 20th term of the beginning. 20th term from beginning equals to 102 minus 20 plus 1. That is 103 minus 20. 103 minus 20. That is 80th term from the end. Equals to 83 th term from the end. 20th term from beginning, what will come? That is 83rd term from the end, from beginning. From beginning. 20th term, whatever come, 20th term from the end. From the end equals to 83th term from beginning. So T83 equals to A plus 82D. That is value of A is 3 plus 82 into D value is 4. That is 3 plus 328, that is 330 or 230, that is 331. 28 plus 3, that is 331 is the 20th term from the beginning, that is with its 20th term from the end. Okay, let's do sum number 6. Then question number 6 is 2 series given. Here first series is 2, 5, 8 to 5 up to 50th term. Question number 6. 2, 5, 8, 50 terms. And second series is 3, 5, 7, 9, 68th term. Here number of terms is 50, here number of terms is 60. Let m equals to 50th term, mth term is 50 and nth term is 60. Here a is 2, D is 3. Here first term A is 3 and D is 2. Given in the series 2 series, find the number of identical terms. There are number of identical, here number n, m equals to n. Tm equals to Tn. Here m number of terms, Tm equals to Tn, number of identical terms. In m number of identical terms with n number of identical terms. Here a plus m minus 1 into d equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A value 2 plus m minus 1 into 3, 3 plus n minus 1 into 2, that is m minus 1 into 3 equals to 1 plus n minus 1 into 2, that is 3m minus 3 equals to 1 plus 2m minus 2, that is 3m equals to 1 2m plus 2, that is m by 2 equals to n. This is n plus 1 by 3. Let this is k. So m equals to 2k, n equals to 3k minus 1. Here m less than equals to 50 and here n less than equals to 60. So 2k less than equals to 60, 50. 2k less than equals to 50, k less than equals to 25. 3k minus 1 less than equals to 60, 3k less than equals to 61, k less than equals to 20 and 1 by 3. So here k, the number of common terms is, here k is less than 25, k less than 20. So therefore k should be 20. Common terms. Here is 20th term, here is 25. So therefore common term is 20. So therefore find the number of identical terms in two series. Therefore identical terms is 20. 20, number of identical terms is 20. Therefore, number of identical next sum number 7. Ninth term of AP is 0 and prove that T20 is equal to T29 equals to T19. Let question number 7. Let first term is A and common difference is D. Ninth term of AP, that is T9 equals to 0, that is A plus 8D equals to 0. T29 equals to A plus T9 equals to 0. A equals to minus 8D. T29 A plus 28D. A value minus 8D plus 28D. That is 20D. T29 is 20D. 2 into T19 equals to 2. T19 is A plus 18D. Put it here. 2. A value is minus 8D plus 18D. 2 into 10D. That is 20D. That is T29. Therefore, T29 equals to 219D. Therefore, T29 equals to 2T19 proved. Okay, now please make a note of these sums, and if you like my videos, please subscribe. Okay, thank you.